my channel. It's Alice Walker here. Today we are going to do an eyebrow tutorial. I had a lot of requests for me to do an eyebrow tutorial. The way I do my eyebrow is the old-fashioned way. It's very easy, very straightforward. It doesn't take that long at all. I don't use that many product to do the eyebrow. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and come be a part of my YouTube family. Bye guys, thank you. Let's get on with it. First of all, I'm going to show you the product I use to do my eyebrow. Like I said, I do not use that much stuff to do my eyebrows. I know most people don't use pencils anymore, but I still use my pencils. This pencil I've been using for a long time. Rimmel Exaggerated Waterproof Eye Definer, and it's 212 Rich Brown. There it is. This pencil is so good.
This pencil is so good.
And I am going to be using this one as well if I need to darken it up a bit. I like my eyebrows very defined. I might not use it, but sometimes I use it just for the ends of the brows. And it's the professional eyebrow pencil, and it's also from Rimmel. It's just a normal pencil, 004 black brown. So this is the pencil. And then of course I'm going to be using my concealer. This is what I use to curve the brows. LA Pro concealer. I'll be using Toffee, and I normally use my flat brush. Using today, I use this brush all the time. Now let's begin. I don't like doing eyebrow tutorials because my eyebrow, the technique is very simple, and I just feel like nobody wants to see it. But you know, since it's been requested, I decided to show you guys how I do my eyebrow. The brow up. Now I'm actually going to trace the shape of my brows, and I normally like it arched, so I'm gonna just arch it just slightly. My eye is a bit dark at the moment because I tattooed it. I tattooed my eyebrow, like, it's been a while, 10 years ago. I can still see little tiny traces of it there. Carry on with the strokes. Very simple. I don't do much. Now I'm going to actually neaten the eyebrow up. So clean the eyebrow up and with the concealer. If the eyebrow is not that neat, the concealer is there. It does the magic. That's the trick, you know. It's gonna just clean it up for you. And the bottom up. So as you can see, I used a lighter concealer for the bottom. Okay guys, now we're going to be doing the top of the brow. If I don't want it too defined, I use my foundation color to neaten the top up. But if I want it very defined, then I will use the same concealer that I use for the bottom, for the top half as well. But for today, I think I'm going to be using my foundation, and then I will go over it depending on how defined it is. If it's not enough, then I will go over with my concealer. I want to make it a little bit more defined, so I'm going to go on the top half again with the same concealer that I used for the bottom, just a little bit. Guys, I'm going to show you a trick. I'm sure some of you already know, but I'm going to show you a trick what I normally do. Like I said, my eye is tattooed already. When I'm doing the ombre, it doesn't come out as I want it. So I'm going to show you a trick how you can make the front a little bit faded. I'm going to use the same foundation color. I'm going to be using a smaller flat brush, and yeah, so we're just going to dab it in. offline with your foundation. Strokes, that's it. This is what I would do on an everyday basis. Of course, when I'm going out, I think I'll do that. I'll do it a little bit more defined. It's already defined. I don't do much to my eyebrow. This is it. Sometimes it comes out perfect, sometimes it doesn't. I hope you like this and I hope you found it very useful. Thank you very much guys for watching. Take care. God bless. Bye.